Hi guys, welcome back to Motionist Tutorials. Today we're going to just talk about motion graphics and how to use those in Premiere Pro and also how to open them in After Effects. So first things first, we're going to look in Premiere Pro. We're going to be using one of the call out packs that we've created and is for sale on our website. First thing we're going to want to do is add them into our Essential Graphics panel on Premiere. And if you don't see this, just go to Window and press Essential Graphics just here. So what we're going to do is press this plus button here. We're going to go to where our pack is. Ours is here. So we're just going to choose that and bring these in. So using them in Premiere Pro is the most simple way to use them. So these are created for Premiere Pro. If you're just doing a video edit and you just want a quick way of introducing some animation, you use the templates and just make the changes within Premiere. And it's very, very simple and very intuitive and user-friendly. So what we're going to want to do is throw one of our call out titles into our current composition, which now, as you can see, looks just like this. So when we click into the motion graphics template, the Essential Graphics panel will change to the Edit tab. So Browse is where you add in the files, and Edit is where you make changes to any live ones that you have selected. If you deselect that, it will disappear. If you select it again, it will appear. So in this template, we can change the text, we can change the colors, we can change the fonts, the sizing, and everything like that. But in some instances, you might want to make some changes in After Effects if you feel comfortable working in After Effects. So let's just change our heading here to Motionist heading here, just to show you how this will work. And as we can see, this doesn't quite come to the end of the box. So what we can do here is we can change the background size if that's what we want to do. So that will sort that out. But if you still wanted it at the same kind of length, again, you can just kind of change the background height this way and change the size of the text here. As you can see, the text isn't quite central, so we also have an adjustment tool here, so we can just change that so that then that sits nice and centrally within the box. Again, we can change the colors here, so line color, if we want to change that to a red. I'm just going to copy this so I can use that on the dot as well. Again, we can use that just there. And then the background color of the box itself. Let's say we wanted to make this black and the title color white. We can do that here. Also, you can change the fonts if you want to. So if you have something in mind, you know, it's a brand font or something that you use quite a lot, you can change that here and make any adjustments again to the text, just so it's right for you. And again, the same can be said for the sub heading, so you can write whatever you want in here. I'm just going to type a load of stuff and then change that to a font that works for you. So they are quite editable in this area, but it might be that you just want to change something at source or just open it in After Effects anyway, just so that you can play around and understand how it works and things like that if you are learning how to do these things. So if we head over to After Effects, there's only one way to bring in a motion graphics file into After Effects, and it might be misleading if you try the wrong way. So for example, if I try and drag this into here, it won't let me. It won't let me pull in the motion graphics file. Or if I try to import a file, it won't let me import them. They're all grayed out. But what we can do is open a new project. So if we open a project and we open one of the motion graphic templates as a project file, this will convert it to an After Effects file. So it will ask you where you want to extract the file to. So I'm just going to drop it into the downloads folder because that's where it already is. And then that will open up the original source file for the motion graphic template. Now, I would recommend making a copy before you go into After Effects and make any changes, just in case anything breaks and you don't know how to fix it. But essentially now you have a fully editable After Effects file, which if you want to use in an After Effects composition, you can just by dragging in the After Effects composition and then dragging this onto whatever composition you're currently working on and making any changes within the file itself. And that is as simple as that. It's how you use motion graphic templates in both Premiere Pro and After Effects. Like and subscribe for more tutorials and to keep up to date with our latest product releases, and I'll see you on the next one.